by step, I've walked 100 miles, and I still ain't sure this is what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows like
I should have been up there.
Downhill's gonna be way more sketchy.
Yeah.
Good?
say a prayer, I find my way and get off of this lonely road.
Can you hear me? Tell me, can you hear me? I've been calling out for help, still don't see nobody get me. I'm down and almost underground and so deep in the valley, I can't even tell you which way is the mountain. God, the only word I got, I could probably plant
That worked. I'm telling you, man, she's not. You see me load this quite a few times, and it's not like that.
Yeah, I think that the 6-puck march needs to be
Where you're just gonna have to fucking be committed, dude. That's the snow line right now. You can see where the trees got frost. But yeah, we're going to the peak, dude.
I was pinned.
We didn't
We
realize.
didn't know. Like at first, I'm like,
I
oh,
didn't know
he's trying
either
to race.
until I started U-pulling, so I was like,
Well, and
I
then
dropped 100 miles of range in that pull.
Did you?
I swear to God. It was at 520, dropped to like 420.
I'm like, oh, they're getting a rolling shot. And I'm like, cool. And then you came back again. I didn't realize that you were doing one for TikTok or with your phone now. And I'm like, oh, he's trying to race. Oh, dude, I can hold on to that thing.
That's crazy.
so what's the name of the outfit that makes this?
Sea sucker. It is.
It did its job.
I'm imagining they probably started in like water
Surfboards
stuff.
or something?
Yeah, like watered.
branched out.
Oh!
Oh, you're cramping. Okay.
cramping.
I thought you were flexing.
60, by the way.
What did he just say? You called him 60?
You said I'm 60?
Oh, dude. Don't do the man like
We're
that.
not stopping.
Yeah, you break
When
down.
you break down, you're fucked. It's a climb. So I would just put it in first gear and just get it at a comfortable, you know, where it's happy, it's not bogging,
Yeah.
but not, you know, in boost.
I can't even lie. I am genuinely a little nervous.
Yeah.
Got butterflies?
I do have butterflies. I don't get butterflies often.
Dude, yeah, slapped it on within minutes.
so
Within
sick.
minutes.
Within minutes, we installed it. Literally, the boxes on the trailer installed within like 10 minutes.
It makes the car look a lot proper. We need like the rally lights and stuff on here.
And those KCs, they would
The
fit
whole
right under
white
it
bar,
too.
like,
Yeah.
up top. We need to get the rock lights on here. But
Dude, rock lights would be sick as hell
already got
too,
them.
all
we have
glowing.
them. We just didn't have time to install
Combustion
them.
sponsored them.
It's gonna be a fun day, and just cross our fingers. Everything goes exactly how it wants.
Oh yeah, we follow you.
That's awesome. I appreciate it.
Yeah, we sent you some videos and some
right on.
footage. We're like,
Hell yeah.
yo, we gotta see them.
We took it out on tracks last time to tab. Ran into a few issues. Holy shit. Holy crap.
It climbs it like a champ though.
It really does. Oh my goodness. loud right now. All because of this dude right here.
I've been watching all our work, all the anti-rotation and heim joints and brackets and everything, and making sure like everything's flowing properly, and it is. It's working. Like, I mean, really, this is the hardest test. The moguls is what kills things. It looks very smooth.
Dude, it feels so smooth. I mean, on full travel, I mean, these are a couple feet moguls. It is hitting the bumper, but
Right.
who cares? Yeah, I didn't know which way we were going. King of the world.
King of the world. We're not quite there to do that one.
Oh shit.
Hey, dude's gone.
Oh, hey, dude.
Hey, dude, have you seen my shoe? Run! I want to run that little 14-year-old over. Ah! Get up on the bumper. I'll push, take you up there.
There you go.
All right.
Dude, that's not a noise you would expect out here.
No, you wouldn't hear a Subaru.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, I recognize it, yep. That's a little sketch. Everyone's doing a lot of thinking.
90% planning, 10% execution.
That's for sure.
Well, like,
The camera ain't gonna show it very well, but there's no flat base there. And to make that, you're gonna have to really be, I mean, letting all the beans out of the can. And you can see that's a clear cut for power lines. We don't want to end up down there, ideally.
It's so hard to see on camera. This is just a straight drop off. And I thought we could make it up now.
Oh, where you gonna go? Oh, you can film this.
I should have been up there, bro.
Yeah. Let's go, baby!
Dude, I'm impressed.
Let's go! He's all the way up there.
Is he really? Oh my
Yeah.
God, he is.
She got it.
come back with it.
Yeah. Now it's all down to this fucking has like
What are we
three.
trusting
This
right
has like
here?
3 melted down Hondas. We got a hammer.
Yeah, anybody got a hammer or a rock or anything?
Anything's a hammer here.
Yeah. We're in the woods. Perfect.
Oh fuck yeah.
Penetration. Uh-oh. Oh, Jess, we gotta do some digging. There it is. I think the front bumper got caught. Okay.
Well, she's out, baby.
That's why I always say, always let out.
It's nice because this one's cut. There's nothing on the bottom.
You made your bed. Now lay in it.
That's perfect.
$180.
That's 270, but that would have been a 270 barrel roll. He's kind of smashing. He's making some speed. Oh! We found it. We found a spot.
Sounds so sketchy. I don't want to fucking send this off. It is throwing snow like crazy. Oh my goodness.
I'm so sorry, Caleb. I was locked up the whole way.
You good?
Oh,
We're missing one of our fans.
Like the entire fan?
oh.
Like the fan's
We have
gone?
a fan that just got yanked off.
Is it under the car by chance?
No, it's the plug.
The
The fan plug.
Oh, okay.
The fan's there, the plug's
At
gone.
least we have one fan going.
Yeah. It's been a very good day. And then we're going to finish it with a good steak dinner. There's a good restaurant that I'm going to take you guys to.
The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wander so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I found my way and get off of this lonely road. Off of this lonely road, 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 off of this lonely road. And get off of this lonely road.